Hello guys, so we're on perpendicular lines, question 2 now. So a straight line L passes through the point with coordinates 4, 7 and is perpendicular to the line with equation y equals 2x plus 3. Find an equation of the straight line L. So if here is our gradient, if gradient equals 2, the perpendicular gradient, so perpendicular gradient, we'll just say m equals minus a half. So think 2 is the same as 2 over 1. You want to swap these around, so it's going to be 1 over 2, and you change the sign, so it'll be a half. So our perpendicular gradient is minus a half. So far we've got y equals minus a half x plus c. Now we want to find c, so to find c we just plug our coordinates in. X is 4 and y is 7, so we've got 7 equals minus a half times 4 plus c. So 7 equals minus half times 4 is minus 2 plus c. Add 2 to both sides. C equals 9. So our line is y equals minus a half x plus 9. Okay, that one done. Question 3. A straight line passes through the points 0, 5 and 3, 17. Find the equation of the straight line. So we need to find our gradient. So to find our gradient, first let's just label these. So we've got x1 and y1, and we have x2, y2. Now when you have two coordinate plots, you need to find like the difference, and you want to divide the height by the length. Let me just draw a little graph to sign up so you can visualize. So let's say this is the first set of coordinates and this is the second. So to get this gradient, we need to find the height, this, excuse my drawing, and divide it by the length. Okay, so I think this is x. So to get this length, we need like x2, and we divide it by minus x1 to get this length. And the height will be y2 minus y1. Because if we just have y2, it's all of this length. So we minus this coordinate, and it gives us this length. So this would be y2 minus y1, and this would be x2 minus x1. You can do it the other way around, but you have to be consistent. So if you do x1 minus x2, this has to be y1 minus y2. If you get them mixed up, you won't get the same answer. So our m equals, we'll have y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which equals, so y2 is 17 minus y1, which is 5, divided by x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is 0. That equals 12 over 3, which equals 4. So our gradient is 4. So far we have y equals 4x plus c. Now we just need to find c, the intercept. Now we can either plug these coordinates in or these, it doesn't matter. We'll get the same answer. So I think it's easier just to plug these in because it's got 0. So if y is 5 equals 4 times 0, that's going to be 0, plus c. So we've got 5 equals 0 plus c, so c equals 5. So now we have our line. So we've got y equals 4x plus 5. Okay, there we go. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.